Shaw from the Biotech Chemistry Group. Today we'll be starting a new series called Bioplastic Experiments. Today we'll first start off with rice plastic, here with this rice starch. We'll test the durability, flexibility, and biodegradability of all the plastics we make. First, we start off with 1 tablespoon of rice starch. Do not turn off the stove yet. Turn on the stove yet. Then 1 teaspoon of glycerin. Try to get it all out. Next, we get 1 teaspoon of vinegar. Then 4 tablespoons of water. Turn on the stove to medium to high heat. And mix it till it becomes more of like a milky substance for about a minute or a half. It should be more of a milky substance and more gooey and stiff. Here the bioplastic is starting to become more stiff. More of a milky substance. Let it run for a little longer. Once it hits a substance like this, you can turn off your stove and place your plastic onto tinfoil. Thank you for watching the first episode of our bioplastic experiments. Bye.